Assalamualaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope that you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well. My name is Shafiqul Islam, the teacher of Gangapur High School, Birampur, Dinaspur. Dear learner, today we will discuss about completing sentence. You know, I have discussed in the last class, so I will discuss some important rules, which is very important for your exam. So most of the time you think that, dear student, and it is a very difficult, but I think that it is very easy. If you do properly do it, it can be easy. Dear student, let us start our class. Completing sentence. Completing sentence. There are so many rules, dear student, and today I will discuss some important rules. Rule number one. Rule number one, in spite, INSPI, in spite of, DESPI, despite of, subject V1, object plus object. Dear student, let us follow the structure. In spite of, despite of, and we use subject V1 plus object or extension. For example, in spite, PIT, in spite of his poverty, poverty, he is honest. Dear learner, in spite of his poverty, he is honest. That means we can say into Bangla, in spite of, despite of, সত্ত্বেও. It means সত্ত্বেও. In spite of his poverty, he is honest. দরিদ্র হওয়ার সত্ত্বেও সে হয় সৎ. Dear student, we can complete this sentence. If the sentence is at the beginning of, in spite of, despite of, then we will write the gap, fill in the gap, subject, verb plus object. Dear learner, in this way we can complete this sentence. Now come to the point. Next rule. Rule number two. PRESENT, present indefinite tense, past, as if, as though, or past indefinite or past perfect, PERFECT, perfect. Dear learner, you see already I have written here a structure: as if, as though, present indefinite, as if. The last sentence will be complete past indefinite by past indefinite, as though. The last sentence will be complete past perfect. For example, he talked as if he knew everything. Dear learner, you see, he talks as if he knew everything. Here you see the middle of a sentence as if. If the sentence include of as if, then we will complete this sentence. Subject already I have written here previous time past indefinite. That's mean subject V2 object. Another example, he spoke as if he had known everything. Dear learner, you see as if. In Bengali as if যেন, অর্থাৎ বাংলায় আমরা বলতে পারি as if যেন, as though যেন। he talks as if he knew everything. সে এমনভাবে কথা বলে যেন সে সব কিছু জেনেছিল। he spoke as if সে কথা বলেছিল past form, and another clause we already write here past perfect tense. he had known everything. That's mean in Bengali he spoke as if সে কথা বলেছিল এমনভাবে he had known. Dear student, and we will complete this sentence by this way. Next example, rule number 3. Rule number 3. Lest, should, or might. For example, dear student, if the sentence is the include of word first clause lest, and we will be complete this sentence should or might. For example, you walk should, you walk lest. Dear learner, you walk lest, and it is first clause and it is a long gap over there, and we have to complete this sentence and should or might by should or might. Why you walk lest, you should miss the train. Or another example, you walk fast, you walk fast, you cannot catch the train. Cannot catch the bus. Dear learner, we will complete this sentence. You cannot catch the trains. That means we can translate in Bengali. You walk lest, তুমি হাঁটো অথবা you should miss the train, তুমি ট্রেনটি ধরতে পারবে না। or you walk fast, তুমি দ্রুত হাঁটো অথবা you cannot catch the bus, তুমি বাসটি ধরতে পারবে না। Dear learner, we complete this sentence by this way. Now come to the next rule. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. It is time, or it is high time. High time. High time. Subject V2 plus object. It is time or it is high time. It is times mean in Bengali, or high time উপযুক্ত সময়. We can give here for example it is time we change our bad habit. Dear learner, if the sentence is the include of word at the beginning, it is time or it is high time, then we will the next clause subject V2 plus object. Here example you see, it is time, and we will complete this sentence. We change our bad habit. Subject we and V2 change and object our bad habit. Dear learner, we can change this sentence by this way. And I would like to another example, number 5. Rule number 5. Although present indefinite tense, present, present indefinite plus past indefinite. Dear student, let us see the structure. Though, although, present indefinite or past indefinite. We will complete this sentence by this according to the structure. Though, although in Bengalis, you know, though, যদিও, এটার অর্থ প্রকাশ করে যদিও. Example, though the man is poor, he is honest. Here you see we already complete here this sentence. Though the man is poor, he is honest. যদিও লোকটি গরিব তবুও সৎ. Here you see the first clause, the verb is present form, and the we will complete this sentence by present form. Another example, or the man was poor. He was honest. The second example, dear student, the man was poor, he was honest. You see here it is a past form, and we already complete this sentence by past form. Dear learner, we will complete this sentence by this way. Now come to the next rule. Rule number 6. Unless. That's mean in Bengali, যদি না. Subject V1 object. Present PRCNT, present indefinite or future indefinite. For example, unless you read more. Dear learner, already I have written here unless you read more, and it is a long gap over there, and we have to complete this sentence by structure according to the structure. Dear student, you follow the structure carefully. Unless you read more, you will fail in the exam. Dear learner, unless you read more, you will fail in the exam. যদি তুমি অধিক না পড়ো, we can say that in বাংলায়, যদি তুমি অধিক না পড়ো তাহলে তুমি ফেল করবে. Dear learner, the first clause at the beginning unless, then we will complete this in future indefinite tense. Dear learner, unless you read more, you will fail. It is indicate positive and it is indicate negative, and the second clause indicate and positive. Dear learner, now this time I will give you some homework, and you have to ready for note down homework. Dear learner, you follow the blackboard. Number 1, unless you hard work. Number 2, the man laugh as if she run fast lest. Number 4, in spite of his having recess. Number 5, though the man was rich, dear learner, you see here I already some homework, and you follow the B carefully. Number 1, unless you hard work. Number 2, the man laugh as if. Number 3, she ran fast lest. Number 4, in spite of his having rich. Number 5, though the man was rich. Dear learner, already our class finish here, and next time see you. Allah Hafiz.